Hello viewers, it is Iconic, and I'm bringing you a quick little gameplay. Actually, it's a couple clips that I got from a game using just the naked MP7. And I wanted to make this quick little video to tell you guys to follow me on Twitter. My Twitter's the same as my YouTube username. And basically, if you guys want to know the latest about my computer build, which should be making some progress in the next 2 or 3 days, and if you guys want to know about that and know the specs of my computer, what I'll be putting in it, follow me on Twitter, and hopefully I can get this done, I guess. Anyway, thanks for watching, and videos to come soon, guys.